How to fix WhatsApp unable to connect, please try again later problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. If not, you can also switch between networks, that is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device. Now, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the WhatsApp application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. Also, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. So, this is how you can fix WhatsApp unable to connect. Please try again later problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.